Exercise 4.3, question number 8. Here they have given angle CAB equal to 25 degree. CAB equal to 25. So we have to join this C and A, okay? And we have to find BDC. BDC. So we should join these two sides also. These 2 points we should join. Then angle DBA. DBA and COB. COB. So we have to join all these. Now I have joined all these points and now we have to find BDC. Okay, that is angle. First we'll join these two. Okay, in order to find angle BDC, first we'll join C and B. If I join CB, then this will be one card and this is one segment and this is another segment. We have a theorem, angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. So in this segment, whatever angles we have, here it is given as 25 degree, no? So we'll mark it as 25 degree. So according to this theorem, angles on the same segment of a circle are equal. So here in this segment we have this angle as well as we have this angle also. So these two angles will be equal. If it is 25 degree, then this angle also will be equal to 25 degree. Okay, this is my BDC, this angle. So according to this theorem, angle CAB equal to, this angle CAB is equal to angle BDC. Why? Because angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. In this segment both the angles are there, so these two angles will be equal. So we have proved the first subdivision. Now second subdivision, we have to find angle DBA. Angle DBA. Okay, now just I have joined these 2 points. So this will be another segment. Okay, if I join these 2 points, then this is one segment and this is another segment. According to this theorem, angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. So if it is x degree, then this also will be equal to x degree. Now we have to find out angle BDA. Angle BDA we have found out, then DBA. This DBA. This angle we have to find out. Okay, we have to find out this angle. Now, according to this theorem, these two angles are equal. If it is x, then this also will be equal to x. If you consider this triangle, here it is given as 90 degree and this value also given. By using angle sum property, we can find out this angle. If you find this angle, then these two angles are equal. So we can find this angle also. Okay. Therefore, angle DBA equal to angle ACD. DBA equal to ACD because angles in the same segment. Now, in triangle ACP, here it is given as P. In triangle ACP, angle A plus angle C plus angle P equal to 180 degree. Angle A is 25 degree. Angle C we don't know, so we'll consider it as x. Angle P, it is given as 90 degree equal to 180. So x value equal to 25 plus 90, it is 115. If you bring it to another side, it will be subtraction. 180 minus 115, it is 65. Therefore, angle x, this angle is equal to 65 degree. If it is 65, then this angle also will be equal to 65 degree. Therefore, angle DBA equal to 65 degree. Now we have to find out another one, COB. COB. This angle we have to find out. Okay, using the theorem, angle subtended by an arc of the circle at the center. Okay, angle subtended by an arc of the circle at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any point of the remaining part of the circle. So it is given as 25 degree, so it is double of it. Therefore, this angle will be equal to 2 times of this angle. Okay, so this is 50 degree. So we can write angle COB equal to this angle COB. This is the arc subtended by the the angle subtended by an arc of the circle at the center, and it is double the angle subtended by it at any point of the remaining part of the circle. Therefore, angle COB is equal to 2 times of CAB. This value is given, 2 times of CAB. 2 times of CAB, it is 25. So 2 into 25, 50 degree. Therefore, we have found out all the three values.